Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to the Growth Mindset Company channel. Today, we're navigating the intricate waters of the FIDIC Yellow Book 1999, focusing on a clause that's pivotal for every construction project. Clause 2.2, titled Permits, Licenses or Approvals. And as always, for those who want to delve even deeper, www.wisdomwavishub.com is your treasure trove. Links right there in the description. Now, let's dive in. What's the essence of Clause 2.2? In simple terms, it's all about who's responsible for obtaining the necessary permits, licenses, or approvals required to get the project off the ground. It's like setting the rules of the game, ensuring both the employer and the contractor know their roles. So, what does this mean in practice? Well, the employer typically handles permits, licenses, or approvals that were already in play at the time of tendering. Think of these as the knowns. On the flip side, the contractor steps in when there are changes in legislation after the base date, or if specific permits are needed due to the way they execute the works. These are the unknowns or the curveballs. A couple of things to keep in mind with Clause 2.2. Timing. It's everything. Delays in obtaining these permits can throw a wrench in the project's timeline, potentially leading to claims. Cost. Who's footing the bill for these permits? The contract should spell this out clearly. Legislative changes. Picture this. A new environmental law pops up after the base date. Now, there are extra permits needed. Guess who's on the hook? The contractor. To paint a clearer picture, imagine a scenario where a fresh environmental regulation rolls out after the base date. This new rule demands additional environmental permits. According to Clause 2.2, it's the contractor's job to secure these. Now, for those of you who love real-world tools, let's talk about a sample letter. Say you're a contractor and you need to request a permit. How do you go about it? Well, we've got a template to guide you. Reads out the sample letter. There you have it, folks. A deep dive into Clause 2.2 of the FIDIC Yellow Book 1999. It's these nuances that make the world of construction contracts so fascinating. If you found this enlightening, show some love with a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights. And remember, for a detailed exploration, www.wisdomwavishub.com is your destination. Until next time, stay curious and keep growing.